like, you know, I spent some money on this wig. It looks like a brand new install. Hey, what's up you guys, and welcome back to today's video. If you're curious to see how I styled this old wig to look like a brand new wig, and then I tried this new style that's similar like to the Cardi B hairstyle that she was doing when she was doing the McDonald's promo. If you're curious to see how I did this, please continue watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at DKLaFlair. Bye. Hello everybody. Y'all, I just look like it's giving Steve Harvey. Like, it's giving Steve Harvey. It's giving bald. Today's video we're gonna be doing a new style, and we're also gonna be doing a wig revamp of this 30-inch bust down that I've had for kind of like about a year now. It's good hair, but the frontal is giving out on me, so I just want to kind of try something different. And that's what I'm going to be doing today. This wig is clean. I've already cleaned it, and so I'm just ready to hop into today's style. For today's style, I want to try like the Cardi B inspired bang, like the Chinese bang with the side part, but I don't want my bang to be like as thick as hers, but I want it to be wispy. But I'm using this picture as inspo for today's look. So I'm already prepped, and I have my stocking cap already on. Ball cap method is what I always do whenever I do my wig installs. The glue that I will be using today is Erica J Hold Me Down. This is the old one, this is the new one. I think they're the same formula though, that just in different packaging. So I'm just gonna try to use this one up and then do that. And then whenever I do the glue, I do 3 layers of glue, and that'll usually last me like a week with like exercise and all of that. So if I decide to wear my wig that long, so that's what I'm gonna do. And I dyed it kind of like, oh, not like that. I do like this one on the cap on my skin, on the cap on my skin, but my edges are totally protected during this, so you know, don't really be scared. As long as you take it off the right way, you should be good, and your edges should not be snatched. Okay, so that's that. I'm just gonna do this 3 more times. I'm going to smooth it out with, I'm gonna find something to smooth it out with, and then do this 3 times, and I'll be back and check in with y'all. Okay, so now I'm back. I just finished all 3 layers of the glue application, and everything is dried down about 80%. So, you know, from here you apply the wig. Don't try to push any of the hairs into the lace or anything like that. Like, this lace is not that tore up, but it's one of these sides I cut too short, so it doesn't like go, yeah, it's this side. It doesn't go all the way like to the side, so yeah, I have to deal with that. But actually this lace looks pretty good, but I'm not gonna wear it like this because I want to switch it up. So I'm going to get, so for the next steps you're gonna need your, oh my god, this is like picking up my face. You're gonna need your comb, and you're gonna need some wrapping foam. I'm using the Erica J fluff stuff. And so I'm gonna basically just mold this all the way down because I'm doing a new part. I want everything to be nice and flat, so I'm just gonna find the part where I wanna make it. And I'm molding it because I don't feel like wax could get it as flat as I want to, because this wig I don't think has ever been parted this way. So it's gonna need like a whole new reinforcement thing. I'm clipping this side down and out, kind of out my way, because I want to get the parting straight for the bang. So looking at the picture, they kind of did like a, from the part they did like a circle, like a half circle, and then that's what they use for the bang. So I'm going to try to part that out too. Okay, this is kind of what I want, but not as high. So putting some of this hair back.
Yo, I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kind of like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I grow.
Okay, that looks pretty good in my opinion. Let me make sure everything's.
One of the days, the only two, man. How many times have I shown it through, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road. Okay, funny how like.
That looks pretty good. It's something right here that's kind of messing me up. Hold up. All right, so this is basically kind of like to where I want it, and now I'm gonna start the cutting part, which is kind of the scariest part because it's like I cut a bang before, but I'm still scared. I'm gonna just start low and work my way up. That's like a good rule of thumb whenever you're cutting something and you're kind of scared. So I'm gonna start like at my bottom lip and work my way up.
I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kind of like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. Hey,
now we're like a person like
I got one lawyer, got one in that day, the only two, man. How many times have I told you the truth, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving them potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels or fuck up the deals. I'm posted the stock, homes, be the house and the twins, it's only the real. I'm moving way too humble, Weezy and handed it off. I still got no fumbles. I'm on a hot 100, numero uno. This one ain't come with a bundle. I'm in the wind, I'm laying in chocolate chips, and every time my cookie crumble, I put a skirt on the whip and a crown on the 6, but there's no need to dress up.
And I feel like the purpose of the point cutting is so that it's not so heavy. So it kind of like lands naturally. Like cutting bangs is really just like a guess and check type of process. Okay, I still want them shorter, but this is kind of like the point where you could fuck them up. So I'm just taking it real slow with the cutting. I want it longer, specifically in the region that I have to see, like that my eyes see out of. So I'm gonna try to put that like that, and then point cut more. This is kind of what I wanted to give. If I need it shorter, I'll just cut it shorter when I'm styling it, but for right now, this is basically like what I wanted to give. This lace is not as long as I thought it was, so it's not gonna look as good as I wanted to, but it's fine. This is an old wig. I'm just repurposing it.
Doing the people.
Okay, so for this next step.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk.
Bro. I'm just all over the place today. Please forgive me, you guys. Please subscribe if you made it this far into the video. For this next step, I'm just gonna put this foam all over, everywhere. Kind of like all over the crown of my head. Not down the strands, but all over this area of my hair. This is what's gonna make it go in place. And after I apply all of this, I'm sitting up under the dryer. This foam is really good though. Like, I really like it. Almost better than Nairobi, but I can't say that because I didn't have that foam when I had my shortcut, so I can't say if it's better than Nairobi because Nairobi got the job done every time, you know? Alright, so that's nice and flat. That's how we want it to look. Really, really flat. You could wrap it up if you want to with wrap strips. I think I'm going to use maybe one wrap strip, and if you have a hooded dryer, sit under the hooded dryer for about 15 minutes or until everything is dry. And if you don't have a hooded dryer, then just blow dry this until it becomes dry. So it's going to take a little longer, but the results are going to be worth it because you're not going to have to spend as much time getting everything flat because the dryer and the foam did that. So I'll be back. Alright, you guys, so I'm back. I just took this thing off. I was sitting up under the dryer for about 10 minutes. Everything is hard. This is what I mean by hard. Like, it kind of looks like bad, but this is what I mean by like molded. Okay, so now only thing left for us to do is define this part here and straighten it, and then we're gonna be looking like Cardi B. I'm gonna be looking like Cardi B. So I'm just gonna take my comb and kind of lift up the parts that are already down. Like, it's fine to lift them up. They're molded now, so I'm not gonna go like crazy. Okay, so this part is supposed to be like this one. So I'm gonna take this wax and I'm just gonna try to apply it to where the part is visible. If it's not, I'm not gonna stress it. Like, it's fine. It's still gonna be like the look even if it's not visible. But y'all, this short ass part is bothering me. Like, I have my hot comb. You need a hot comb for this step. You probably could use a curling wand, but I recommend hot comb. And I'm just gonna go ahead and try to flat iron these bangs so that I could see if they're still gonna be like in my way or not.
We can't just walk with being friends, girl. I know you want it. I know you want it. Girl, I know you want it. I know you want to, girl. Ride the fire like a bike, oh. Do the things you know I like, oh. I'm the man in my ends, oh.
Now we're just gonna go in sections and begin the flat ironing process. I'm pretty sure you guys know how to flat iron, so I'm just gonna do like a cute time lapse or something like that of it. Also, I'm gonna give this wig a little trim because the ends are kind of scraggly. So, cause them Amazon wigs and like the wigs you get from China, they turn out like to be really cheap. So I'm just gonna do that.
I know you want to, girl. Girl, I know you want it. I know you want to, girl. Girl, I know you want it. Yeah. She keep giving me look. Oh, she keep giving me look. Oh, she keep giving me look. You right here beside me. If you oblige me, I'll hang it up and I'll never come.
Hey guys, I just finished straightening and trimming my hair. Let me show you guys what it looks like. This is the front part. I really like my ear tucked back, so I'm gonna get I'm gonna use this. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna use this clip to help it stay back. So cute. Ooh. Yeah, this is the clip. It's gonna keep it in place. This is the back. It's still butt length, you know. It just doesn't look so scraggly. Like, it looks way better. Hello everybody, Editing Diamond here, and I just wanted to say thank you for watching this video. I realized I forgot to film my outro, so please make sure you follow me on Instagram at DKLoveFlair, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe on this video, and leave a like if you really like this style, and I'll do more wig styling tutorials / revamp videos. So thank you guys so much for watching, and bye.